Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Los Angeles, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we're talking about phased backyard renovations, or in simple terms, how to build your dream outdoor space in steps instead of one huge project. This is a common path for homeowners who want a deck, a patio, maybe a pergola or future sunroom, but want to spread the cost and work over a few years. The first key idea is planning the whole picture before you build the first piece. That doesn't mean you need every finish picked out, but you do want a basic map. Where will the main deck or patio sit? Where will stairs land? Where might a pergola or cover go later? If you know those answers early, we can place footings, posts, and utilities in smart spots from the start, so you don't have to rip things out later to add them. Let's talk about structure. In Phase 1, we often build the main platform deck or core patio and quietly prepare for the future. That might mean pouring extra footings where a cover post will go one day, or framing a deck to handle the weight of a future outdoor kitchen. It might also mean running conduit for future lighting or power, even if you're not ready to install all the fixtures yet. These are the low-cost steps that save money down the road. Materials also play a big role in phased work. If you know you're going to live with each phase for a few years, low-maintenance choices can make that time easier. Composite decking from brands like Trex, for example, cuts down on sanding and staining while you're still saving for the next phase. You can enjoy the space without feeling like you're constantly working on it. On the patio side, choosing durable pavers or finished concrete for the first phase means the surface is ready when you later add a pergola, seating wall, or outdoor kitchen. What does a real-life phased plan look like? One common pattern starts with a simple, well-built deck off the back door. You get safe access and a usable space right away. In Phase 2, you might add a patio at ground level, plus a set of stairs that connects the deck to that patio. In Phase 3, you might add a pergola or partial cover over part of the deck or patio, and maybe rough in for an outdoor kitchen or more built-in seating. At each step, the yard still works on its own. Another example is starting with a patio if your lot is flat and your back door is near ground level. Phase 1 might be a clean, well-drained patio with basic lighting. Phase 2 adds a small composite deck landing or steps at the door, plus a pergola. Phase 3 could be enclosing part of the space or adding an outdoor kitchen. Again, the goal is that each phase feels finished, even though the long-term plan is bigger. If you're thinking about building in phases, communication is important. When you talk with a builder, share not only what you want now, but what you might want later. A good builder listens for those future ideas and designs the structure so it can carry them. That might mean slightly overbuilding posts in certain spots, laying out patios with future walls in mind, or setting grades so drainage still works when you add more hardscape. If you'd like help mapping out a step-by-step plan instead of a single big project, you can reach our team at 213-579-4440 or visit toughdeckbuilderslosangeles.com. At Tough Deck Builders Los Angeles, we design phased backyard projects that stay safe, solid, and flexible, so each stage feels right on its own and ready for what comes next. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Los Angeles. In our next episode, we'll move to the front of the house and talk about porches, decks, and patios for your front entry.